everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 8th to the 12th of August 2022 on Monday. Mlilo's plan takes an unexpected turn and Kidibone decides to take matters into her own hands, inspired by Morena's ordeal. Andile and Njabulo gets a thrilling text message on Tuesday. Mlilo is determined to get back on top, while Andile and Njabulo have a lot of questions to answer, and Flora unwittingly hands her life over to a stranger on Wednesday. Mlilo's stubborn pride only gets him into trouble, while Andile and Njabulo also start to question their choices on Thursday. Zweli hands out ultimatums. Mlilo has a decision to make about his life and the way forward. Flora lights a fire under the reluctant crusader on Friday. Drama revisits the Ghana mansion, and the Lopez struggle to get back into step with each other. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.